Hey guys, it's Drea. Today I'm going to do just a little get ready with me. I have to film a couple videos. First being a try-on video. You know I've been doing those on my channel. This is actually a try-on video for a company that reached out to me and sent me some product for free, which is really fun. That I've been getting that happening a little bit because obviously it means I can still do them without spending any money. I've been so good with low buying lately, kind of in every aspect of my life, including clothing, which is difficult when you work in a clothing store. So it's fun when they reach out and like want to send you stuff for free, and then I can bring you guys content. So I will just be doing my makeup. I'm not necessarily going to be telling you about every product I put on my face because it'll just take too long, but I'll put all the different products down in the description bar. One thing though, I just got, trying to get the foundation to come out, is I replaced my Smashbox foundation. I just got this yesterday. I'm so happy. I am actually gonna do a low buy haul soon, just so you can see what a low buy haul actually means to me. We got our tax return yesterday, and so that's the only reason I even bought this, but I was trying to use like some foundations that I had left in my collection, and none of them are just working out for work. Like they're just not lasting as long as I need to without oxidizing or getting super oily looking on my skin. This is my summer shade. I kind of wasn't sure which shade I should get because we're still in spring, but I'm going to be using this, I know, mostly through the summer. So this is slightly a little bit dark on me right now, but I know this is my summer shade because it's the shade I had last year. So we're just gonna go with it, and for now I'll bring it down my neck. Anyways, I want to know how you guys are doing with this coronavirus stuff happening. Obviously this is on everybody's mind. Stuff is changing so fast with coronavirus information that even when I'm filming this now, which is on Saturday, March 14th, I'll probably have this up within a day or two, but God knows what will happen in a day or two. Like, it's all happening so fast. I just can't believe it. My son, like it's spring break now. Spring break started on Friday. Like Friday was the last day of school. My middle son, he took off a few days before spring break started just because he flies standby. We have a connection through our family for being able to fly for free, basically, almost. So he can fly standby, and he wanted to go a few days early just because last year he wasn't able to get anywhere, and it took him like 3 days to fly from BC to Ontario last year because it was spring break and he was flying standby. Well, so this year he's like, well, I'll leave on like Tuesday morning, and yeah, it's a little early, whatever, but just do what you gotta do, right? So he left on Tuesday morning. So Monday night was the last time I really spoke to him. And of course I was like, oh, make sure you wash your hands. Like, this corona thing is starting to kind of become a thing. Let's make sure that hand washing is happening. And like by Wednesday evening, Tom Hanks had it. They're shutting down borders. Everything's getting canceled. I'm like, oh my goodness. And then by Thursday, it was just like taking hold everywhere, and it seems like every aspect of every bit of our lives is consumed with this now, which is just insane to me. Like I'm taking it seriously, but I just wonder like how much of this is really hyped up and how much of it is actually to be taken seriously. Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's kind of, some things are being very overreacted to, and then some people are really underreacting to it. So it's like almost two extremes. You have people who are just freaking out, and then people who are like, no, it's nothing. So I'm somewhere in the middle right now, and I just hope and pray that this leaves us as quickly as it came. Anyways, so it's just insane. I want to know how you guys are doing with it. Hopefully none of you have been affected by it, but gotta be careful. I've been reaching out to a bunch of my friends. One of my friends in Ontario had some of the symptoms, and she had to go into self-quarantine with her boyfriend, and that's scary. Like, it's just a scary thing. And then the Prime Minister's wife came down with it, and that was like, whoa. So when that happened, I think like Canadians kind of stood up and like we're like, what? This is getting out of hand. Anyways, I am actually on vacation now. So my last day of work was yesterday, and I'm on vacation from now until basically 9 days. So I'll go back on the Monday after a week, if that makes sense. And I'm very excited. There's nothing that we were planning to do. Thank God we don't have any trips canceled that we were planning or anything. So that's fine. It was always going to be a staycation for me, and I am all about that right now. I just want to sit at home, film lots of videos, go to the thrift store, and just hang out. That's all I want to do. Maybe read some books. I'm 6 books in this year. I think I had mentioned that in one of my beginning of the year videos, that one of my resolutions this year is to read, which I haven't in years. So basically what I did is I picked up a series that I love, that I've reread many, many times. It's the Harry Dresden series by Jim Butcher. And I figured if I started reading books that I knew I loved, that I would be able to get back into reading. And it's kind of worked. I still find myself on my phone a lot, but I do pick up books more than I used to. So I've been tracking it on Goodreads through the book challenge, and I challenged myself to read 36 books this year, and I am 6 books in. St. Patrick's Day is next week. Normally we would do something, definitely go out for St. Patrick's Day, but my husband is in a first aid course, a really, really intense first aid course, and I don't know if he's gonna want to. Normally he is all about St. Patrick's Day, but I don't know. Okay, for eyeshadow, I am going to use this one. This is the Kaleidos Futurism 3 Astro Pink palette. And I don't remember if I've ever really used this on camera with you guys before. I really love Kaleidos eyeshadows. I have the Sci-Fi Green palette as well, and it's awesome. Let's see, I'm gonna have to, which way does this go? It's just one of these, so I'm like, which way? I don't know which color switch. I'm gonna assume that it goes this way across, just because the Kaleidos goes this way. So if I get these names wrong, then oh well, you'll just have to forgive me. But I'm going to use this for this matte shade, which is Lunar, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Yeah, so I am getting ready because I'm about to film this try-on video. And then if I have time today, I'll also film a Wish haul video, which actually I bought all this stuff from Wish probably in the beginning of January, and I don't know, that's still kind of when I was still shopping a little bit more than I did definitely at the end of January and February. I literally almost bought nothing the last 2 months until yesterday. So I did buy quite a few things from Wish, and I haven't opened any of the packages. Okay, I'm gonna dip into Nebula here. This is when it was originating in China, and we were starting to see those videos of the doctors there. So I don't think it's unfair to say that people had some fears about things coming from China. But anyways, I just left everything in these packages until now, and I have not opened them. So I'm going to open them today, and I literally don't remember what I bought. I think I bought a necklace and some hair extension type things, but specifically I do not remember what I bought. So that will be fun because it'll kind of be like a surprise Wish haul, because I really don't remember. And honestly, it all took so long to come anyway. I think that's the thing with Wish, you don't get it quickly anyway. So they all came in separate packages. They all came after a really long time. And so I just kind of let them all sit there until I'm pretty sure I have everything now. I'm gonna go into this gorgeous, gorgeous shade here, this shiny purpley one, and it's called Light Year. And if I remember right, I don't need a sticky base with this. I think it just goes on nicely. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm telling you, I want Kaleidos to come out with more palettes. Okay, I went to Sephora yesterday. You'll see in this low buy haul, I bought very little. I bought 2 things. I bought that foundation and one other thing. And but I haven't been buying eyeshadow, but it's not because of the low buy necessarily. There's just not been anything coming out that I really, really want. Literally the only thing that I have been tempted by eyeshadow wise is the Anastasia Amrezy palette. And I did swatch it about a month ago. It's still been on my mind, which to me, if I haven't forgotten it by now, means that I actually kind of do want it. And I saw it again yesterday. I didn't swatch it yesterday. I stayed away from it, and I was so tempted to just buy it, but I said, nope, just wait either until like next payday or the payday after. Just continue to wait. So, but that is the only eyeshadow that I have even been tempted by in the last 2 months. And but I do want Kaleidos to come out with more stuff because they're just such amazing quality. Like, look at this, so pretty. And also we might be going out tonight, so I'm probably gonna not redo my makeup later. So this will be kind of dramatic, kind of going out makeup as well. My friend who runs the karaoke, she's gonna come pick me up, and we're gonna go to the karaoke early so that we can kind of eat first and we can actually hang out. Because once she's running it, it's very difficult to actually have conversations and that kind of thing. That's all I'm really gonna do with this. Literally, that's 3 eyeshadows. It's so pretty, like for 3 eyeshadows. All right, I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my eyeliner and my eyebrows, and I am now putting on these lashes. These are Chiffon from the Naked Drama collection from Kiss. These are some of my favorite eyelashes. I know if you've been around here for a while that you already know that. And then after this, I just have bronzer, blush, and highlighter to do. My nail lady just got engaged last night, which is so sweet and lovely. She was away for almost 2 months, I feel like it was. She went to Japan and Vietnam, and then when she came back, we did all our catching up, and then it's been about a week and she just got engaged last night. So congratulations to her. I love my nails right now. They're all bright and spring-like. The last ones just kind of fell apart, unfortunately. So I had to go to somebody else and they used a different acrylic. But these ones, knock on wood, doing fine. Okay, I'm loving this eyeshadow look. Like, it's just so simple, but so, like, the colors just look so good. Okay, anyways, let's move on. I'm just gonna use my Body Shop Honey Bronzer. I feel like there's literally like nothing else on my mind right now but this Corona thing. Like, all I keep coming back to is all these Corona things going around. It's just, it's hard not to think about it when it's like all over social media everywhere. So I hope that this is just something that we can like look back on in the future as just kind of a blip, and that, you know, everybody comes out of it okay. I have been loving this blush. This is Nars Bumpy Ride. I don't know if you can still get this. It was from some kind of spring collection about 3 or 4 years ago, I feel like. But it's just like the perfect amount of light pink. And it just works, especially with my bronzer. I feel like it just works really nicely. I've been using this all this week. Oh, my Shop My Stash side chick bucket has been going pretty well. If you guys didn't know, I went back to doing Shop My Stash, but I'm only doing it as a one-off. So I only have to use each thing one time. Now I'm just using Topaz from Jouer, the highlighter. Anyway, so I only have to use each thing one time as opposed to like doing an everyday makeup drawer, and it's going pretty good. I pulled a lot in and I'm almost through it all, so I'll be able to film one probably this week as well. This is one of my favorite summer highlighters, like ever, of all time. So there's that. Now I just have to spray myself up and do a little lower lash mascara and lips. And I'm still using MAC Fix Plus Coconut and MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash for my lower lashes. So we're coming to an end. Just a quick little update. I like to film these get ready with me's though, like, since I have to put on makeup anyway. I like to check in with you guys a little bit, even though sometimes I don't have a lot to say. Okay, there are only 2 lipsticks I was thinking of putting on, and honestly, I'm probably gonna do this one for my actual video and this one for right now, but like the try on video, because this one I think is gonna look so pretty, but it's creamy and bright, and I know taking on and off shirts and stuff, it's not gonna work out well, but I wanna try it out. This is Fuchsia for Me from Maybelline, and Alex gave this to me for Christmas. This smells better than I remember these smelling. It smells more vanilla-y. Oh, I can hear the fish tank. I wonder if that's been bothering you guys the whole time. I remembered to shut off the dishwasher this time. All right, not bad. I still know how to put on lipstick. Okay, whenever I do my hair, I don't know if you guys find this, but sometimes I curl my hair and then it settles into like almost like a one curl, like everything becomes one. So what I do is I turn my head upside down and I shake it all around and then I come back up. So I'm gonna do that and see how my hair looks. But I can't do it on camera because I'm really squished in here. See? I always do this like, oh, I'm getting lipstick on my teeth. I always do this when I go into like the bathroom if I'm at a bar. That's always my time to like shake up my hair. All right, that's it for my get ready with me. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything. And I'm about to film a couple other videos, like I said, but I hope that you guys are all doing really well, getting through this trying time. Let's all band together. I love you guys. And I hope we're all here to support each other. And I hope that you and your families stay really, really safe. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.